Hey, it's Friar Phil. We're back with another Mtron set. Nope, not Transformers. It's time to talk Lego. Welcome back, everyone, to Friar Phil's Bricks. Thanks so much for joining me, man. Yeah, no, not Transformers here. This is Mtron sub-theme from 1990. Today we're going to talk about 6923. The Particle Ionizer, part of the Mtron sub-theme of space. We checked out the Celestial Forager last week. Go ahead and click that if you haven't already seen that one. Let's get this set built, take a detailed look at it. One of my favorites, and we'll get it on the brick scale. Let's get going. Let's get it on the brick scale today, folks. Yep, build experience is our first category. Fun set. This kind of gives more of that classic space theme. You've got the spaceship. However, it's kind of a helicopter slash spaceship hybrid type thing. So it added some fun elements. I remember playing with this as a kid. We're not talking about playability, but this was a fun set as a kid. Add in the little robot you get, the cargo box, and the hinge pieces on the wings in the back, and the side elements there that hinge up and down. Fun build, giving it a strong 5 out of 10 for build experience. So uniqueness is our next category. That's right. Last week Celestial Forager got a 10. What is the Particle Ionizer gonna get? Let's check it out. So first off, gotta say what I said last week. Mtron is a unique sub-theme in and of itself. This ship is particularly unique. Like I mentioned, it's got the helicopter look, the ship hybrid look, so that's really unique, comparable to other space sets. The magnets, unique, all get out. Loved it as a kid, and adds to the uniqueness. Now let's look at those parts. Yep, the transparent neon green parts are back in play. The antenna whip, this set has it as well, like the Celestial Forager from last week. We have got the 2x2 inverted radar as well. We also have that 10x4x2 canopy. That is a unique piece, first released with the Mtron theme. And then looking on to some other parts that are unique to Mtron, the 1x2 tile with the red and yellow control panel. This was first released with the Mtron theme. Not unique to Mtron anymore, but first released with the theme. But here's one, the 2x2 door with the slot. That is an Mtron theme print, so unique to the theme, only in 6 sets. The 2x4x3 hinge panel with the Mtron theme print there on the side of the ship, only in 3 sets of all Lego history. Then we mentioned this last week, the 2x3 magnet holders. It's new in 1990, that red color, first introduced in Mtron theme. The 2x2 magnet holder, new in 1990, first introduced with the Mtron theme. Then we got a couple other prints from Mtron. The 2x2 slope brick with the Mtron print, unique to Mtron. 2x2 tile with the Mtron print, again, both unique to the Mtron theme. And then we've got the 1x1 brick with the fins. And this transparent neon green was first introduced with the Mtron theme. And then the wedge 8x8 plate with the 4x4 cutout. This part was only available from 1983 to 1993, only in 4 sets in the black color. So a very unique piece from Lego history. And then just a few more. The 2x2 slope brick with the grill print in the red is only in 3 sets. The 2x4x2 brick with the studs on the side. This is the only set in all of Lego that has that piece. So, yep, we're giving it a 10 out of 10 for uniqueness. Can't go wrong there, can't dispute that. Super unique set. Third category is detail. I love the detail in this set. The printed pieces, especially in an age where I feel like most Lego sets have the sticker option. It's more cost effective for sure for Lego. I'm sure that's why they do it, because looking at this, most of these printed Mtron related pieces are only in the Mtron theme. That's what they were created for. So, you know, one set up to 6 sets or 7 sets, I believe the theme has. And so I wonder if their thought was that the Mtron theme would continue. I don't know the history, didn't look up the history of the sub-theme, but I wonder if they had this envision in their mind, or if that was just their model back then, that they just printed parts. I know there were stickers back in the day as well, but I just love it because I love printed pieces versus sticker pieces, or putting stickers on the pieces. And so I love that aspect of this set from the detail side of things. Also the robot, the cargo box, add to a great score, 6 out of 10 for detail. Displayability, this is a little bigger set than last week's Celestial Forager, so a little more noticeable on the shelf when displayed. Again, that transparent neon green, I made this comment last time, really pops against that red and black base colors, incomparable to other space sets and their typical vintage classic grays and blues. And so once again, great display piece, 6 out of 10 for displayability. Lastly, playability. Okay, one minifigure would have loved to see in a second, but it's got that robot. But guys, this has the magnet feature. You can unload and load the cargo box onto the ship. You can use that in so many ways. And then the hinge pieces, you put your cargo box in and lock it in place. And just a great, fun, playable set. I'm gonna give it a strong 6 out of 10 for playability, which takes the Particle Ionizer to 33 out of 50 on the brick scale. Loving this 1990 set. Would recommend it if you can get your hands on it. Oh, this has been fun today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you are not a subscriber, if you've watched a few videos, maybe this is your first one, and hit that subscribe button. Take the plunge. Subscribe. We have a lot of fun doing reviews and lots of stuff with Lego. And if you want to be notified and get that ding on your phone, and when a video is dropped, go ahead and hit that bell and give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed yourself today. And we will see you next time for the last Mtron theme set that I've got. It's a doozy. See you next week.